A clash between security personnel and demonstrators has left a woman dead and 7 others wounded in Upper Nile's Malakal town Monday morning. The over 200 protesters, mainly local government officials, opposed their transfer from the state capital to the county headquarters. Major General Chola Tem, who is the area police commissioner, said the demonstrators threw stones at the organized forces, forcing them to respond with live bullets. What happened is a demonstration in Malakal town this Monday morning at 9:30 a.m. And during the demonstration, some of the demonstrators threw stones at the organized force, he said. 8 people got injured by the live bullets, 2 women and 6 men, and one of them 38-year-old Achol Gabriel Amum died. 2 members of the organized forces are among the injured. One of the police forces was injured on his head with thrown stone, and another one from national security was injured on his leg. The confrontation comes weeks after a senior state official was killed in the rest of town.